in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I have, or what type, how much space you need to play VR, and what I recommend for VR. And also, I'll be showing you how I play VR. Yeah. We're down here, we're going to play VR. I'm just going to show you the whole VR setup that I have down here. Let's get into it. So this is the floor. This whole carpet, the thing I play on is kind of a mess. There's like rotted stuff all over here. What is this white stuff all over my pants? Not whatever, I'll figure it out. But yeah, as you see here, this is the whole VR setup. And this is what I play VR on. Now, thinking, how much space will you need? Well, if you're on a stage where there's a bunch of like tables and chairs and lamps and that kind of stuff, that's not a good place. You need like a big wide open space. I mean, like there can be stuff around you, so like you can play on like this big carpet. But yeah, I just play on this big carpet. There's lots of space around me. In fact, I might have to see this here. That's not a space, so they're not going to go off for this video. But yeah. It's huge down here. Here's where I play VR. Thing you do have to worry about is ceiling height. Ceiling height is like really important, because if your ceiling is way too low, kind of like mine here, well that really isn't a ceiling, but you know. But you need to worry about ceiling height, so like when you're playing VR, you want to have high ceilings. For me though, I kind of have high ceilings over here, right? But not over here. I just have this big old vent over here that when I'm playing VR, I always hit it, like right up here. And I always have hit this stuff. And you want to see something? I literally have blue scuff marks on my Quest 3 controllers. Where are they? There they are. I literally have blue scuff marks right there from hitting vents and stuff. Yeah, luckily, you know, I upgraded to these. These are really nice. But yeah, you need to have a good diameter what you're doing. I do lots of stuff in space actually. I don't just play VR. I film videos in this space because like sometimes I'll film in my basement. So yeah. But yeah, I recommend a big space. Hope you enjoyed today's video. This is just a really short video of how much space you need. I'm going to play VR now, and then after I'll edit this video. Yeah. Also check out my latest video right now. As you guys see the thumbnail of it. I mean, those who probably already seen it, but yeah, I see a thumbnail. I'm gonna try doing that for this video today too. Alright, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and bye everybody.